Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if you forgot your lock screen pattern on your Nothing Phone 3A Lite smartphone. So, in such case, if you don't remember your lock screen pattern, the best decision would be contacting the Nothing customer support service and showing them a proof of the ownership of your smartphone, for example, the receipt from the store where you bought the phone, the box card, or whatever is enough for them to prove your ownership. In such case, they'll be able to help you regain access to your smartphone without removing any personal data from it. So if you cannot do that, and I understand you, you have two options to consider. First, you can perform a factory reset operation on your Nothing phone using recovery mode. If you need some help with that, with using recovery mode, with navigating recovery mode, we have an entire video on our channel explaining how to do that step by step. So if you need that video, go ahead and watch it. You're highly welcome to do so. However, this operation will remove everything from your device. All your personal data will be removed. All your photos, your files will be removed from your phone completely. You can also perform the same operation remotely if you have a Google account set up on your device. To do so, you're gonna have to open the Find Hub website using any other device that you have access to. Then from the list of devices, select your Nothing phone, then go to Settings, and here you'll find in Settings you'll find option to perform a factory reset operation remotely. I don't have it because I'm doing it on the same smartphone, so that it's not allowed. But yeah, basically this way you can perform a factory reset operation, and once you perform it, you'll be able to set up your device as a new one. However, there is also one option to consider. So if you are trying to enter your lock screen pattern and you do remember the lock screen pattern you used to access your device the last time, but it doesn't work, but isn't working now, then you can reboot your device into safe mode and check if it works there. To do so, you have to short press power button and volume up key at the same time, then hold your finger down on the power off option. Okay, unfortunately it won't work. So instead, what we can do is hold down the power button and volume up key for about 10 seconds until the device turns off. Once the device turns off, hold down start holding down the volume down key once you see the Nothing logo, and keep holding it down until your phone fully boots up. This way you will access the safe mode, and in safe mode there are no third-party applications or background activities that may interfere with your lock screen, and therefore you'll be able to enter your lock screen pattern now safely. So once you enter your lock screen pattern, before trying to figure out which application could have caused this kind of behavior, on your phone, go to Settings, go to Security and Privacy Settings, then go to Device Unlock and remove your lock screen pattern by selecting Screen Lock, entering your pattern once again, and then either selecting None or Swipe option. Confirm by tapping Delete, and to reboot into the normal mode you have to press power button and volume up key at the same time, and then select Restart, and after that you'll be able to start using your device normally. So that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.